It's June 2. I just mowed June 2, 2012. There's some cucumbers and some mums that we have in the front. Then there's a little pond. California poppies. Have lots of them. A little wheelbarrow with petunias and vinca. A little pond. See if I can see my fish. I could see them a while ago. Oh, there's a glare of sun. Hang on, let me. There we go. There we see some. You can't tell, but I can tell. They've grown a lot. Well, they're a year old now. Simple little flower. James just plants a seed and they come up and get tall and bloom. Okay, closing out on February, June 2. 2012. 1, 2, 3 out.